So what exercise this, guys?
17.3.
Alright, this is exercise 17.3, question 10, okay? So what we have is two helipad shapes here, and we got to figure out, Nina, a health and safety officer, must choose one of the above designs for a helipad. She knows the bigger the covered area, the more effective design for a safety viewpoint. Which design should you choose, just for your answer? So Luca, what would you do for this question?
For A, you divide it for A into 3 rectangles, so you can find the area of it.
Oh, so these are 3 rectangles here, yeah?
Yeah, and then you find the area of it, so the one on the left and the right is 5.
Okay, so area of a rectangle is length multiplied by width. Luca says this one here is 5 because it's 5 meters by 1 meter. This one here is also 5 because it's 1 meter by 5 meters. Now Luke, what about the middle one?
It's 3 by 1.
3 by 1 across 3, and the total area?
13 meters squared.
13 meters squared.
And then you multiply the other one.
Okay, I'll get somebody on the other one now. Okay, so Joey, what about the second one?
Well, first of all, you multiply 0.75 by 6.
Okay, so 6 multiplied by 0.75, so we're going to have to multiply that out longhand. Okay, 6 times 5, Joey?
30.
4 times 7?
42 plus
Carry the 3.
45.
And how many decimals do we need?
2.
2. The answer is 4.5. So this one here is 4.5. What about this one here, Joey?
It's also 4.5.
Okay. Alright, we'll go for Luke. Luke, what about the middle one here in green?
4 by 0.75.
4 multiplied by 0.75. Okay, let's multiply that out. What do we get?
20.
0 carry the 2. 4 times 7?
30.
28 plus 2 is 30, you're correct. How many decimal places? 2. So let's add how many 4.5s do we have? 2. So 4.5 plus 4.5 is 9. 9 plus 3?
12.
Which one's the bigger helipad? The first one with 13 meters squared. Okay, moving on. Okay, Orson.
Yeah.
5 identical parallelograms are joined to make the shape shown in the diagram. The perpendicular height of each parallelogram is 12 meters. Is 795 meters squared. Find the length of A. How are you going to go about doing that? So, what Orson said there was that all 5 shapes added together give you 795. Orson wants to find out what is the size of one parallelogram, not as what the size of 5 parallelograms is, okay? So, what we're going to do there is we're going to write down, well, we have a shape of one parallelogram here, so we divide it by 5, and what do we get when we divide 795 by 5? Sorry?
159.
159. So it goes 1's remainder 2, 5 times remainder 4, and then 9, 159. One parallelogram equals 159 meters squared. For the area of a parallelogram, multiply the base by the height. Not the actual width, it's the actual vertical height. So, what does this mean? It means 12 multiplied by A is 159. How do you find out what A is? 159 divided by 12. Let's see how that goes. Ryan, 12 into 15? 1's remainder? 3. 12 into 39?
4, remainder 3.
3 times?
Oh, 3 times.
To get your remainder 3. 12 into 30?
Twice remainder 6.
Twice remainder 6. And finally 12 into 60?
5.
5. So A is 13.25. Okay, Jan, the next question. Read it nice and loud there for me.
The diagram represents a flower garden with given dimensions as in part I. The shaded sections are planted with tulip bulbs. One tulip bulb is planted for every 0.04 meters squared of shaded area. How many tulip bulbs are planted?
Okay, Jan. Part 1 is how do we figure out what all of these parallelograms add up to. How would you do that, Jan?
Well, so we know that the four are each 159 meters squared.
So 159 multiplied by 4?
Or multiplied by 4 is 4 goes into 9. Well, 4 multiplied by 9 is 6 remaining 3.
6 minus 3, 4 by 5?
4 by 5 is 20 plus 3 is 23.
3 carry the 2.
4 by 1 is 4 plus 2 is 6.
636 meters squared. Okay. Now, I want Donald. See this part here? 1 tulip bulb is planted for every 0.04. The whole point of the question is how many tulip bulbs. So we want to construct a formula for number of tulip bulbs. What would I describe it in English for me? How would you do that?
Well, you divide 636.
636 is the total area of garden, right?
Divided by 0.04.
Which is, what's 0.04 in the English language? Luca, 0.04 in English. Like what does it represent in this question? If you read it. No, you're not with it. It's the shaded, it's how much area.
Oh,
it's
sorry,
the area of 1 tulip. Tulip bulb, okay? Now Joey, you're now going to have to divide 636 by 0.04. How would you go about doing that? What could you multiply the top and bottom by? Stephen, what could you multiply the top and bottom by?
100.
And what do you get when you multiply by 100?
400 and
63,600. And when you multiply 0.04 by 100?
400.
Not 4, just 4. It's 0.04 multiplied by 100. And the 100 shifts the decimal point across twice. So we'll get Oisin on this. Oisin, 4 into 63. Oh, sorry, 4 into 6, excuse me. 1 minus 2. 4 into 23. 4 into 36. How many bulbs can we get in total? 15,900. Okay, yes, Ryan. This question here. The diagram shows a flat piece of plastic produced by a factory. Diagram scale. The offsets are lengths 2.63, 4.5 and 1.5 centimeters are measured at equal intervals 2.5 along AB. Find in centimeters squared the area of the smallest rectangular sheet of plastic from which the plastic piece can be cut. Okay, anybody have any idea how to do this? Who got it right? Nice and loud, please.
Well, you have to find out what number makes all the heights to add up to 4.5. So you take all the heights away from 4.5.
Okay, so try it away. Now, lads, see this rectangular drill? See this rectangular drill? It's 2.5 plus 2.5 plus another 2.5 plus another 2.5. This means from here to here is 10. The top part is 4.5, so from here to here, 4.5. It's 4.5 up and 10 across. What's 4.5 multiplied by 10? 45 centimeters squared, and that's the answer for my rectangle.